गुड मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट्स। आज हम चैप्टर 3 की ओर अग्रसर हो गए हैं। So today we will discuss about chapter 3. The name is trigonometrical function. So trigonometrical function means function related with trigonometry. So today we learn about how to change angle into radian form and radian into angle form. So changing of theta means angle into radian form equal to pi divided by 180 into given theta. The angle given, this is the changing form of angle to radian, and changing of radian into angle form equal to changing of radian means so 180 divided by pi into radian. Divided by pi into radian. For example, if we have to change 30 degree into radian, if we have to change 30 degree into radian, then we can say that pi divided by 180 multiply with 30 degree. So 0 0 cancel. This is 18. We get pi by 6. So 30 degree is equal to pi by 6 in the radian form. And as you have to change pi by 4 into degree form, then we can say that 180 divided by pi multiply with pi by 4, then pi by cancel 4 4 is 16, 4 5 is 20. We get 45 degree. So this is the formula for changing both from degree into radian and radian into degree. Now exercise 3a. Exercise 3a, as given in exercise, that change the following angle into radian. Change the following into radian. The first question is 30 degree. As I told you that how to change degree into radian form. So question number first part 30 degree. Then we have to write pi divided by 180 multiply with angle means degree. Then this becomes pi by 6. Simply same as other questions are 45 degree, 75 degree, 120 degree, 135 degree and 270 degree. To solve other questions like this and write in one copy. Now second question is change the following angle in degree form. Question second. So we see question second fourth We have to change 6 pi by 5 into degree. We get pi by 180 divided by pi multiply with 6 pi divided by 5. So pi cancel. 5 6 15, 5 6 30. We get 36 degree multiply with 6. We get 6 6 36 carry 3. 6 3 21. 216 degree. So this is your answer, 216 degree, which is indicated fifth question. So solve other questions like that and write in your copy. Simply other question number 3rd said that 12 centimeter a diameter with 12 centimeter makes an angle 60 degree at the center. Then we have to find the length of arc. So the formula for length of arc is equal to angle made at center into radius. Given that diameter of the circle, is equal to 12 centimeter, then radius of the circle equal to 12 divided by 2. We get 6 centimeter. And angle is given 60 degree, means theta equal to 60 degree. So we convert it into radial form. We get pi by 180 multiply with 60. We get 0 0 6 3 18. We get pi by 3. Now putting the value as formula, that length of R is equal to angle made at center multiply with radius. Means angle made at center pi by 3 multiply with 6, 3 2 6. We get 2 pi. So this is the balance. 2 pi centimeter, since unit of this is 2 pi centimeter. So we will see next question in next day, other classes. Thank you.